Hello everyone, and welcome to this on-screen for SAP How-To guide. Today we're going to talk about how to create and record a guide. So I'm in the on-screen for SAP web application. I also have the on-screen recording agent here running on my desktop, and I'm logged in as an author. And so in this case, I have the Create Guide button available. So this is how we create and record a guide by clicking this button. It's going to connect directly to the SAP desktop application. So in this case, let's do create standard purchase order. We're going to create a PO today as our recording. We'll do the same thing for the description and then hit next. And this is where we enter our SAP logon information. So in this case, I already have my instance and client selected. So I'm going to enter ME21N, which is the transaction that we're going to run, and then hit start. And so the web application is going to log in directly to ME21N and start recording. So I'm recording now. So what you're going to do in this case from this point is you're going to execute the transaction just as you normally would, being careful not to create any unwanted errors or any unnecessary pop-ups. So I'm going to enter my vendor. I'm going to enter the purchasing organization. I'm going to enter the company code. And then I actually want to enter the purchasing group, which is not displayed. So in order to do that, I have to validate these entries. I'm going to hit the green check. You can see I get an error here, but that's okay. This is an error that everyone's going to see every time they execute the transaction, so that makes it okay. I'm going to enter my purchasing group. And then I'm also going to enter, I'll validate these entries first, and then I'm going to go enter my line item information. So we're going to enter a material number. I'm going to choose a quantity. I'm going to enter a plant and storage location. And then I'll validate those entries by clicking the green check. What happens at this point is it's going to go see just like a normal PO create would, it's going to go see if there is a purchasing info record, and if there was, and so it pulls in a price, it gets a requested delivery date, populates all the other information, and actually at this point I am done with this transaction. I don't need to enter any other data, so I can save and post the document. And as this document posts, now I can go back to the web application, stop the recording. When I go back and look at my guides, I see it's here, create standard PO. This is the one I just created, and you can see today's date. So if I want to edit that guide, I click that here. I can go look at the screens. I can enter my text that goes with each of the items, and we'll save that for another how-to video. But that is recording, and thank you very much. Please check in our website, onscreensap.com, for more videos.